Right, so this is quite exciting. I bought myself a new keyboard. This is the keyboard that I'm currently using, which is the Keychron K8. And the This Keychron has fantastic design, fantastic feel of typing. Listen to this. But there are some issues with this particular keyboard. I decided to go for this new keyboard right here. This here is the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini. Yeah, if there's anything you want to know about this keyboard, feel free to leave me a comment. I'll be more than happy to try to answer your questions.